Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D, and as you can see, I am inside of CVS. Alright, so I'm in here doing the spend 30, get 10 extra bucks. I have a 5 off of 25 to pair with it. I have a $3 digital, I have a $2 digital, and a $1 digital. I believe that I will be pairing up with all of these items. First item we have is on this Downy, Ultra Downy Free and Gentle. It is 51 ounces. It is priced at $6.99 this week. And as you can see, 60 loads, limit of 1. Then I'm going to pick up one of these 120 count 2 boxes in here of the Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard. This week it is priced at $12.99. I want to say I have a $2 digital for this one, a $1 digital for that one. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to pick up one of these Ultra Oxy Odor Eliminators. They are $12.99 this week. It is a count of 25. Again, the limit for this deal is 1. I have a $3 digital coupon for this. We'll see what we get to at the register. All right, everyone, it was a success. Here is my purchase. I've got the Bounce dryer sheets, the paws, and the Downy liquid softener. I will show you my receipt, and I will also show you my extra bucks. Everything attached with no problem. See here, dryer sheets, they were $12.99. The pods were $12.99, and the liquid softener was $6.99. Had a $3 digital for the pods, I got $2 for the dryer sheets, and I had $1 for the liquid softener. I used the 5 off of 25, and 10 extra bucks. I had 16 cents on there, leaving me with $11.81 out of pocket. And as you can see, it all went on to gift cards. Now, I've reached my limit there. There was a savings of 72%, and I got 10 extra bucks back for spending 30. This is all I have for you on this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.